Assalamualaikum and good evening to Sir Najib. Today we are going to present about topic vector and Scala. And yeah, my name is Muhammad Ifan bin Jufaris and my matrix number is 25DEE 20F 2001.
Next, I am Muhammad Anip Wazir bin Danilo. You can call me Anip, and my matrix number is 25DE 20F 2016.
My name is Iqmal Arif bin Muhammad Sarudin. My matrix number is 25DEE 20F 2019.
My name is Muhammad Arif Rahman bin Muhammad Jeffrey. My matric number is 25DE 20F 2021.
What is vector? Vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Some mathematical operations can be performed on vector, such as addition and multiplication. The multiplication of vectors can be done in two ways, which is dot product and cross product. What is dot product? In mathematics, the dot product or scalar product is an algebraic operation that takes two equal length sequences of numbers, usually coordinate vector, and written as a single number. In Euclidean geometry, the dot product of the Cartesian coordinates of two vectors is widely used. What is cross product? The cross product is defined as a vector C that is perpendicular or orthogonal to both A and B, with the direction given by the right hand rule and the magnitude equal to the area of the parallelogram that the vectors span.
Okay, here I'm going to talk about the formula of dot product of vector. Vector A, vector B is equal to A power x, B power x, plus A power y, B power y, plus A power z, B power z. For the vector A, it is equal to A power xi plus A power yj plus A power zk. For the B vector, it is equal to B power xi plus B power yj plus B power zk. Vector A and vector B, the formula is cos theta is equal to A times B over the result of power vector A with vector B. Then we got to cross product of vector. Vector A times vector B is equal to the matrix I, J, K, A power x, A power y, A power z, B power x, B power y, B power z. Using the matrix solution, we got A power y, A power z, B power y, B power z with I on the outside, minus with A power x, A power z, B power x, B power z with j on the outside, addition with A power x, A power y, B power x, B power y with k on the outside. Or vector A times vector B is equal to the result of A and B with sin theta n. Area of parallelogram, the formula is A is equal to 2 times 1 over 2 times with vector B times vector Q. It is equal to the vector P times vector Q.
Today I would like to share one equation. So my first equation is dot product of vector. My equation is P equal bracket -1 to 5 close bracket, and Q equal open bracket 4, 0, -3, close bracket. Find the angle between P and Q. The answer has 4 steps. First step is calculate dot product of the vector P dot Q. The answer is P dot Q equal Pi Qi plus Pj Qj plus Pk and plus Qk equal -1 times 4 plus 2 times 0 plus 5 -3. After that equal -4 plus 0 minus -15. And last, the equation is -19. The second step, calculate magnitude of vector P. P equal root square I square plus J square plus K square. The answer is -1 square plus 2 square and plus 5 square. And then we get 1 plus 4 plus 25. The answer last is root square 30. The third step is calculate magnitude of vector Q. Q equal root square I square plus J square plus K square. Equal root square 4 square plus 0 square plus -3 square. And then we get root square 16 plus 0 plus 9 and root square 25 equal 5. The last step is angle between vector P dot Q. Cos theta equal P dot Q divide P dot Q. So after that cos theta equal -19 divide root square 30 times 5. Cos theta equal -0.69378 and the last answer is theta equal 133.9 degree.
Next, the last question of the vector. The question for cross product vector is find angle between U and V. So, if you want to figure out U cross V, the first one is construct matrix, and the matrix look like this. So you make a bar and you're going to arrange I, J and K in top row, and the component of U in the second row, and the component V in the third row. And now what you have to do is calculate determinant. By the way, it is the method for calculating determinant. So you can get matrix 2 times 2, 2, -1, 1, 0 times I minus 0, 3, 1, 0 times J plus 0, 3, 2, -1 times K equals open bracket 2 times 0 close bracket minus open bracket 1 times -1 close bracket times I minus open bracket 0 times 0 close bracket minus open bracket 1 times 3 close bracket times J plus 0 times -1 minus open bracket 2 times 3 close bracket times K equals to open bracket 0 plus I times K minus open bracket 0 minus 3 close bracket times J plus open bracket 0 minus 6 close bracket times K equal to I plus 3J minus 6k. So next, second step, we need to find the direction vector u. The formula we use is root square I square plus j square plus k square. And the component of vector u, we put in I, j and k. So it equals to root square 0 square plus 2 square plus 1 square equals to root square 0 plus 4 plus 1. And the last answer is root square 5. After we find the direction vector u, we need to find direction of vector v. So we use the same formula, equals to root square I square plus j square plus k square. And the component of v, we put in the I, j and k. So root square 3 square plus open bracket negative 1 close bracket square plus 0 square, and it equals to root square 9 plus 1, and the last answer is root square 10. So after we find the cross of u and v, after we find the cross u v, the component of the cross u v, we put in this formula. So we use the same formula, root square I square plus j square plus k square, and the component to u cross v, we put in I, j and k. So root square I square plus 3 square plus open bracket negative 6 close bracket square, so equals to root square 1 plus 9 plus 36, and the last answer is root square 46. So this is the last one of the final step to find the angle of u and v. So we use this formula, sin theta equals to u cross v over direction u times direction v. So we put the number we calculate before in this formula, so we get sin theta equals to square root 46 over open bracket square root 5 close bracket times open bracket square root 10 close bracket. So we get the answer is sin theta equals to 0.9542. If you want to find the degree of u and v, we just move the sin to the opposite, and it equals to theta equals to 73.5 degree. So we get the answer of the angle u and v.
In conclusion, a vector directed in two dimensions has two components, that is, an influence in two separated directions. The amount of influence in a given direction can be determined using method of vector resolution. Two methods of vector resolution has been described here, a graphical method, or we can call parallelogram method, and a trigonometric method. That's all from us. Thank you.